family, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Michelle. If you're new, you're very welcome. Please subscribe. That's the only way you can be part of us. So today I'm going to be taking you, of course, with me for a ride in the fresh air on the shores of the River Rhine. That's something we love doing on our weekends, where we are, of course, on the outside of town. Like, we just got to enjoy some fresh breeze, enjoy nature, and enjoy, of course, watching the cargo ship pass by on the River Rhine. So if you're interested in something like that, of course, watch with us. It's going to be a quick short video just taking you with us in the nature as we ride along, or in the fields in the village. So just enjoy. So my man and my kid enjoy really the breeze and the fresh air. They really love riding alongside River Rhine, and they love, of course, watching the cargo ship pass by, or watching the cars below in the street, above on some street that is in the village or in the fields. So, and my kid, of course, has a tree that it's in the middle of the field, and there is no other tree, it's only the single tree. She calls it the lonely tree. So she always says, let's go and visit the lonely tree, because she thinks it's really always lonely. So when we go there to visit it, at least there's some people who come to visit it. So that's something that it's done every other Saturday when we are at the village visiting the lonely tree. So you guys enjoy with us as we go, of course, on our ride through the fields or the gardens, and of course along the river banks, or the showers of along the shores of the River Rhine. So if you're watching till this far and you haven't subscribed, why not? Please become part of the family. We need you. This family can never be complete without you. Please subscribe, and of course give us some thumbs up. Don't forget, of course, to share this video so other people can also watch it. And of course, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Which part of life do you enjoy, being out in the nature or just the town life? Which part of life do you enjoy most?
Und bremsen.
Dann zieht sich wieder zurück.
thank you so much, family, for watching. That was it all for today, and thank you so much for coming with us. It was really a nice ride. We enjoyed some fresh air, of course, watching the ship passing by. So thank you so much for coming with us. Of course, we see us in my next video, and peace. A sign out.